back to my channel Adobe Draw with Golden. In today's tutorial, I'm going to learn how to draw a sketch of a woman without any coloring, and this should be very fun and easy. And before we do that, I just have a task for you. In the next 5 seconds, I want you to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button so you know when I drop such videos like this to help you in your drawing journey. And let the video begin. So today we are looking at this picture of a woman, and this is what we are going to draw, but we are only going to use the black and white, which means we are just going to use our normal ink, no coloring. So to start that, we use our taper brush, which is the second in the section, and you're going to make sure that your size is the lowest, which is 0.5. and we're just going to draw the inside. Note, we are not drawing outside of the woman, we are just drawing the inside of the face. So which means that we are just going to draw this area. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, this area. Yeah, I will also draw a nose. Hold that to feel it. Yes, and it's done. No, we are not drawing any eyes today, so I'm just focusing on the sketch. So we draw the inside of the cap. Up to this level, and then we leave it there. For the hair, we're just going to try and follow the shape. Yeah, the shape like that, and probably add some lines in between to show that hair texture. Not bad. We're also going to do that here, but make sure you don't pass the outside of your image, because you are going to use a bigger stroke weight for that. To draw this, and we leave it like that. Yes. So for the next one, we are going to use a brush of bigger size, let's say 1.5. yes, a brush of 1.5 will be okay. So all we have to do is just follow the outline. As you can see, it is really big, and we are just going to follow along. Now, as you will see, this will add more detail, that complete look to our drawing with the tiny lines we first made. And I love using higher stroke weights in my own drawings, especially if we are doing them black and white. So we're just going to keep it like this and just round it off, and finally we just put something here. Yeah, so how's that looking? And now we are also going to add the stroke weight here. To make it better. Fill in that space. Good. And now go for the other. And then boom, looking very nice if you ask me. Wow, that is really nice. We're almost done. Finally, we just have to add some more details. So I'm going to reduce my brush size again, and then just draw some lines here along these creases. So add to refill. And some more lines, and just to complete that look, and boom, there we go. So to save this, you're going to have to zoom in first and make sure it's in the center of the screen, and then you have to really centralize this. Then go to the arrow pointing up, PNG with white background, and there you have it. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I wish you the best in your drawing careers or anything you want to do with Adobe Draw. The sky is your limit. Design as much as you can, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you know when I drop another one of these videos, and feel free to check my previous videos. I'm sure you will love them. Thank you and have a nice day.